Introducing the Tech Career Accelerator, a 5-step system aimed at helping you secure a job in the technology industry within 6 weeks or less, while also showing you how to get a pay raise. This comprehensive program is designed to guide you through each stage of the job search process. My name is Jim Tanner. I've been in tech for 25 years. I've been hired by over 30 companies. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Clean up your mindset. In this initial phase, we focus on the power of mindset. By cultivating a positive and confident outlook, you'll enhance your chances of success. We'll help you identify and overcome any self-limiting beliefs, instilling a growth-oriented mindset that will propel you forward. Step 2. Define your ideal job. Next, we delve into clarifying your career goals. Through a series of exercises and assessments, we'll assist you in identifying your strengths, passions, and values. By gaining a clear understanding of your ideal job, you'll be able to align your aspirations with the opportunities available in the tech industry. Step 3. Create your offer. Crafting a compelling offer is crucial in attracting the attention of potential employers. We'll help you develop a strong personal brand by showcasing your unique skills and accomplishments. Through targeted resume building, optimizing your online presence, and creating an impactful portfolio, we'll ensure you stand out from the competition. Step 4. Market yourself. In this phase, we equip you with effective strategies for marketing yourself in the digital landscape. You'll learn how to leverage social media platforms, professional networks, and job boards to connect with relevant industry professionals. We'll also provide guidance on creating a captivating elevator pitch and mastering the art of networking. Step 5. Closing deals and negotiation. Once you've secured interviews and job offers, it's time to maximize your potential. We'll guide you through the intricacies of the negotiation process, helping you confidently navigate salary discussions and employment terms. By developing your negotiation skills, you'll be empowered to secure the best possible offer and optimize your earning potential. By following the Tech Career Accelerator system, you'll not only streamline your job search but also elevate your professional value. This comprehensive approach takes into account the importance of mindset, personal branding, marketing, and negotiation. With our expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to embark on your tech career journey and achieve your desired outcomes.